Signing up for WorldPay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To get started, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved in the sign-up process. First, navigate to the WorldPay website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide basic business information, including your business name, address, and contact details. It is crucial to ensure that the information provided is accurate and up-to-date, as this will be used to verify your business identity. Next, you will need to provide information about the type of business you operate, including the products or services you offer and your average transaction value. This information will help WorldPay to determine the best payment solutions for your business needs. You will also be required to provide documentation to verify your business identity and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. This may include a copy of your business license, articles of incorporation, or other identification documents. It is essential to have these documents readily available to avoid delays in the sign-up process. Once you have completed the sign-up form and submitted the required documentation, your application will be reviewed and verified by WorldPay. This process typically takes a few business days, and you will be notified by email once your account has been approved. Best practices for WorldPay sign-up include ensuring that all information provided is accurate and up-to-date, having the required documentation readily available, and responding promptly to any requests for additional information. It is also essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of the WorldPay agreement to ensure that you understand the fees and charges associated with the service. By following these best practices and providing the required information, you can quickly and easily sign up for a WorldPay account and start accepting payments from your customers. WorldPay offers a range of payment solutions, including online payment gateways, mobile payments, and point-of-sale terminals, making it a versatile and convenient option for businesses of all sizes. In conclusion, signing up for WorldPay is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By understanding the key concepts and best practices involved, you can ensure a smooth and efficient sign-up process and start accepting payments from your customers quickly and easily.